Good morning to my teachers and friends. My name is Angel. I'm from KG to E. Today on the occasion of Republic Day, I'm going to speak about significance of India flag. There are three colors in Indian flag: saffron, white, green. Saffron color stands for strength and courage. White color stands for peace and truth. Green color stands for prosperity and fertility of the land. Ashoka Chakra stands for universal truth. Jai Hind! Jai Bharat! Morning to all. I am Mahatma Gandhi. I am born in Porbandar. My father name is Karamchand Gandhi. My mother name is Patli Boy. I thought freedom of our country. I aim that non-violence and truth. People call me Father of Nation. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Good morning everyone. I am Indira Gandhi, daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Kamala Nehru. I am first woman Prime Minister of India. I am Iron Lady of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Hi everyone, my name is Diksha. I'm going to say about the national emblem of India. The national emblem of India is adopted in 1950. This is the national emblem of India. The national emblem of India has 4 lions. The 3 lions is in front. And this is Ashoka Chakra. Other animals are elephant, bull, horse. Below the Ashoka Chakra is Satyameva Jayate. And this stands for peace and unity and courage. Thank you.